Welcome to the Manufacturing Culture Podcast, where we will hear the cultural journeys of manufacturing leaders and discuss best practices for creating healthier workplace cultures in manufacturing that help retain and recruit. I'm your host, Jim Mayer, and today we'll be talking about what culture is and how to build a positive culture in the manufacturing workplace. I have worked in the skilled trades industries for over 20 years in construction, industrial distribution, and manufacturing for public, private, and nonprofit organizations. Over the years, a lot has changed in manufacturing, but one topic that has stayed consistent is the need for people. For years, I have heard industry leaders talk about workforce development efforts. Still, nobody was asking leaders in manufacturing to look in the mirror and ask the tricky question: have I created a place where people want to work? I started on this journey because I love the manufacturing industry. I love what manufacturers are capable of making. I love the technology. I even love the smell of coolant. But most of all, I love the people. Culture is a set of shared attitudes, values, goals, and practices that characterizes an organization. Culture is a critical component of any organization and can significantly impact employee morale, productivity, and retention. A positive culture can be the difference between a thriving and a struggling business in the manufacturing industry. Successful companies have one thing in common: a culture that unites their employees and drives them to success. Company culture is an intangible force of many interrelated components, each unique to its organization. To get the most out of your team, it's essential to understand how these elements work together. Company culture starts with a core mission statement, but not just the words written down on paper. Their broader meaning and implications for the company's future. Leaders must articulate this clearly to everyone involved. They should be able to explain why something is important and have a clear idea of what success looks like. When goals are understood by all staff members, it can help focus energies and give people a roadmap for daily decisions and tasks. Another cornerstone of any positive culture is trust. Employees need to know that their contributions are valued, respected, and considered when making decisions. Companies must provide a workplace environment where everyone feels like their voice matters. To achieve this, there needs to be frequent communication between management and staff about strategy changes or initiatives so there are no surprises later on down the line. The final component of a thriving company culture lies in rewards and recognition. Employees who feel appreciated are more likely to stay engaged and motivated over time. Leaders should take the time to recognize individuals when they go above and beyond or make significant strides toward achieving key objectives. Offering tangible rewards such as bonuses or gift cards, as well as intangibles like public acknowledgement or opportunities for career growth, can go a long way in fostering loyalty among team members while signaling that hard work pays off. Overall, when carefully constructed around core values with solid leadership at the helm, company culture has a tremendous power to drive productivity levels higher while keeping morale high, making it instrumental for long term organizational success. Thank you for tuning in to the trailer, episode 0 of the Manufacturing Culture Podcast. If you have any questions or comments about building a positive culture in the manufacturing workplace, please, please leave them in the comments section below. And remember to tune into our next episode where we'll have a manufacturing leader share their cultural journey and 3 initiatives they have used to change their culture. Until then, thanks for listening.